welcome. Today we're going to show you how to play PS5 on your Oculus Quest 3. So it's actually very easy, but it can be tricky. So how we can actually do that? So you can't actually just connect your Oculus to your PS5 or the opposite. So there is no official way to do that, but to do that actually you can do another method. So the other method is to actually on your laptop or on your Android device you can download PlayStation Remote Play. So by downloading the PlayStation Remote Play, I'll see from here from the official website, you can actually play your Remote Play on your laptop or PC device, or you can actually play it on your Android device. So you can actually simulate your screen, I'll see from here. So let's just download the Remote Play. So this is how you actually download it. So now after the download finishes, all you need to do is to click on finish and it will launch the PlayStation Remote Play. So as you from here, all you need to do now is to sign into your PlayStation account. So now after you sign in, you can click on confirm and choose your device. As you from here. After you do so, it will try to automatically connect to your device. If it couldn't actually connect, it will ask you for the pairing code from your PlayStation. So now from my PlayStation 5 or your PlayStation 4, you can go to the settings and go to pair using Remote Play. Now it will generate you a new code. So now you can just enter the code, I'll see from here. And it will pair your device and it will start Remote Play. So now you can just start any VR playable game on your PlayStation using Remote Play, and after that you can just start your Oculus Quest 3 and now you can run it perfectly using Remote Play. So that's it. Thank you for watching and see you in the next videos.